Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to close your Coinbase account. So if for whatever reason you want to close your Coinbase account, this video is for you. Let's get into it. The first method is, of course, using the Coinbase app. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open the Coinbase app and log into your account, and then you have to tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon, and then tap settings, go to accounts, tap close accounts, and confirm that you want to close the account. The second method is using the Coinbase website. Almost the same thing. First, log into your Coinbase account on the Coinbase website and click your profile picture or the username at the top right corner. Then click settings from the drop down menu, click accounts and click close accounts. Confirm that you want to close the accounts. Now there are some requirements before closing your account that you got to take note of. First off, you have to ensure that your account balance is zero before closing, because you're gonna lose your money if you don't. The second is to withdraw funds. Withdraw any remaining funds in your external wallets or your bank accounts. You got to take out everything. And resolve pending transactions. So if you have any transactions that probably you sent but it hasn't gone in yet and it's pending, wait for those to complete before you go ahead with the closure of the accounts, because if you don't do that, the consequences of closing are: one, you're gonna lose your account permanently. You're not gonna be able to get anything back. Loss of access, all your history are gonna be gone, and of course that includes the money. So the money, whatever cryptocurrency you have there, they're all gonna disappear, poof, just like that. So you got to make sure that you take care of everything before you close the account officially. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and comment. Let me know what you thought about it. Share the video if you have other people who need this information and you want to get it out to them. You can help us by sharing the video. Also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome updates. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.